A simple day with Tom. Tom is a student. He is new to English. He is happy and a little nervous. Today Tom has a small test. He wants to speak. He wants to listen. He wants to learn. Tom wakes up at 7 o'clock. He says, "Good morning." He brushes his teeth. He eats bread and fruit. He drinks water. He says, "I am ready." He puts on a blue shirt. He says, "I like blue." Tom goes to school. He walks to the bus stop. He sees a big red bus. He says, "Hello, bus." He smiles. He sits next to a girl. The girl says, "Hi, my name is Anna." Tom says, "My name is Tom." They say, "Nice to meet you." The teacher says, "Good morning, class." The class says, "Good morning." In class, the teacher shows a picture. The picture is of a house. The teacher says, "This is a house." Tom repeats, "This is a house." The teacher points to a door. She says, "This is a door." Tom says, "This is a door." The teacher points to a window. She says, "This is a window." Tom says, "This is a window." The class repeats the words. The words are short. The words are easy. The teacher asks, "What is this?" She points to a cat. Tom says, "It is a cat." The teacher smiles. She says, "Good job." Tom is happy. He claps his hands. He says, "I can say words." At break, Tom and Anna play a game. They count apples. Tom says, 1, 2, 3. Anna says, 4, 5. They laugh. They say, "How many?" They answer, 5. The teacher comes and says, "Well done." After break, the class reads a short story. The story is about a boy and a dog. The boy says, "I like my dog." The dog is small and brown. The class reads the story slowly. The teacher helps. She says, "Read after me." Tom reads. He says, "I like my dog." He is proud. In the afternoon, the teacher gives a small test. The test has simple questions. The first question is, "What is your name?" Tom writes, "My name is Tom." The next question is, "How old are you?" Tom writes, "I am 10. The next question is, "What is your favorite color?" Tom writes, "My favorite color is blue." He smiles. After school, Tom goes home. He tells his mother, "I speak English today." His mother says, "Good job, Tom." Tom eats dinner. He says, "I like rice and beans." He practices new words. He says, house, door, window, cat, dog. He says the words again and again. Before bed, Tom says, "Good night." He thinks about the day. He thinks about the words. He thinks about Anna and the teacher. He is not nervous now. He is happy. He knows small words. He knows how to say them. He knows how to listen. This is Tom's day. You can be like Tom. Say hello and good morning. Say, "My name is," and "I like Practice every day. Read slowly. Repeat the words. Speak with a friend. Learning is small steps. Learning is fun. Good night and see you tomorrow.